ditching or grading, we build them stronger so they last longer. The Rhinox Grading Bucket
In this video, we're going to be talking about the Rhinox Grading Bucket or ditching bucket, whatever you call it.
The Rhinox grading stroke ditching buckets have bossed hangers with bolt-in pins. The reason for bolt-in pins is that the idea of welding it in means that when the pins wear, and they do wear, it's better to wear the pin than it is to wear the hitch. You have a real problem getting the pin out. It effectively really means the bucket is scrapped. So bolt-in pins is definitely a better way to go, and having bossed hangers, it protects the whole hanger setup.
So here we have our one-piece shell design, compatible from the 5-ton range down. It has a single front face weld, which maximises the overall strength of the bucket and is easily accessible for the welder. On buckets larger than 5 tonne, we have the square tube design, which is necessary for the buckets to give that stronger, heavy-duty feel.
On the Rhinox grading or ditching bucket, on the micro 1.5 and 3 tonne, we have a single centre web. And the point of having a centre web is it obviously creates strength in the bucket. It's connected to the top and it's to the bottom. Obviously, on a grading bucket, it's a lot wider, so you can get flex and bend. Then on the 5 tonne and above, we have 2 centre webs. Obviously, that's even stronger, so it gives a lot more rigidity in the width of the grading bucket.
At Rhinox Buckets, we reinforce this leading edge here. It tends to be the edge where it takes a lot of brute force and tends to wear faster. Therefore, reinforced it to give it extra durability and maximise the strength of the bucket. We have these wear plates down the side here. Though it has the Rhinox badging, it also doubles up as extra wear strips along the side of the bucket. Drainage holes at the back of the bucket help to allow water to escape, but also help release compacted materials such as dirt or gravel from the bucket.
The Rhinox grading bucket has a drilled lip plate on the 1.5 tonne right up to the 25 tonne grading bucket. This is something I'm personally very passionate about. It has 2 great benefits. For one, when you put a bolt-on edge onto our grading bucket, it reinforces and strengthens the lip plate. And 2, when you're grading, it gives you a nice clean level edge. Also, the massive plus is that when it wears back, you undo the bolts and spin it around. So you get twice the life. It protects the bucket and you get twice the life out of your buckets, basically. As is the case with every Rhinox bucket, in between the hangers at the back here, we have a serial number plate. It gives you the product reference and the serial number for that bucket. It means that we can trace this bucket from when it was made and who made it. That's the reliability of Rhinox. We know where it is, what it's doing. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to find out more about the Rhinox buckets, click here. I'm going to be so careful what I say or do, because it'll only get used against me.
This edge often is the subject of much wear, you know. Right.
You're stroking it like it's something quite precious to you as well.
Passionate about these buckets.